Evaluation of a program, as I have been, emphasizing throughout this main topic, it's not easy business, or it's not a straightforward activity. Rather, it involves certain parameters, certain conditions, and various stakeholders. So evaluation could be, characterized by certain issues, and these issues need to be explored. And we, as for example, if you are given the task of evaluation, if you are self-evaluating a course, or if you are given the task of, going to another institute and evaluating a language course, so you need to be aware of these issues. So let's discuss these issues. Audience for evaluation. We've got, various audiences for which actually the program is designed. We've got students, we've got teachers, administration, and some other supporting staff. So it's important to know students, how they are learning. I mean, for example, if the program is for English for specific purposes, so it's important to measure how students are learning from that specific course. Teachers, and how well they are teaching. It's important if you are, for example, involved in self-evaluation, illuminating or shedding light on your own performance. It's worth exploring, thinking, how well did I teach? What processes, what approaches or techniques were used, and how they could be made better or improved next time. Curriculum developers, they need to be engaged throughout this process. Is design appropriate? I mean, does it take stock of each component of curriculum framework? Administrators, time frame, resources, whether they have enough time to introduce the course, implement it, and finish it. And in terms of resources, whether the institute is having, well-equipped resources, or the teachers are given, some support, right? Well, participants in evaluation process is another issue which we need to be cautious about. So there are various, kinds of participants. For example, insiders. Insiders refer to teachers and students, and outsiders refer to someone coming from outside the institute and observing teachers, or getting a response from the students, right? Another issue is just to have quantitative and qualitative analysis of the program. So performance on oral proficiency could be done through quantitatively, and observation of students is another is an example of qualitative evaluation, right? So another issue which evaluation is characterized by is documentation and implementation. By documentation, I mean to keep a clear record of the tests, or some performance of the students, their retention rate, and its implementation, how the program is being implemented, and if there are any problems, and how they are being addressed. So these are some of the issues which we need to be aware of while evaluating a program.